thirikari yathanite mutatara-ini uri urathi na mbere bururi-ini wothe handu waruma. Mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya miako na ukuria Charles Hinga augite ino ni njira imwe ya kweheria aria matakinyanirie ikiro cia utwarithia wa bodaboda barabara-ini.
Ona urenda igwo muthi andu bodaboda ona mauga ucio matingitikira na tondu kwina elements iria itari njega thiini wao mauga muthi ni marenda kwiyandikithia process ya mbere maigire genuine circles na ndio mramenya na guku stage ni moyo uyu arafu ru mikora matutigire to deal na mikora o tumahe uhoti wa kuruta biashara yao na kwiyandikithia to bodaboda peke yake ona aria mena nduthi ciao private ona muhaka mayandikithie nigetha o mundu wothe uraingira fikifiki akorwo na smart driving license.
The fact that you have a driver's license does not mean that then you have a license to break the law. For all our boda riders, even after getting the driver's license, traffic rules still obtain that they should still continue having their helmets on. They should continue having their reflector jackets on. They should continue driving or riding on the right side of the road, keeping left where you should keep left according to our road regulations. So basically the fact that you have a driver's license does not mean that you have a license to break the law.
Lazima atii sheria ya barabara. Isikuwa kwamba amefanya makosa anaanza kukimbia ama kuanza kuharas mtu. Ni kitu yenye nataka tuwe tukiendelea na mafundisho ili hii sekta ya bodaboda tuboreshe.
Na tugicokereria raini cia thimu iria nyandikithie kuongerereka nginya milioni 65